I stumbled on a teaching recently while searching for how to better marriages. So the teaching is all about a list of questions that married couples should ask each other oftenly. So the topic is question married couples should ask each other. So I'm going to be reading some of it because I just have to pick some. So number one question is, how am I doing as husband or wife in generally? You as a person, have you asked the question? Question of, how am I doing as your husband generally? It's a question of you asking your wife that, am I really trying? You will be amazed that if there are some defects in your activities, in your doings, she's going to tell you. This same question, woman can also ask that, am I trying as your wife? You will be amazed that if truly you are trying, it's going to worship you. So don't forget, these are the kind of questions that we must ask our spouse at some stage in marriage. And not just once in a while. Be asking it always in order for you to grow better. Number two is, if you could see two things change about me, what would it be? The question of, if you could see two things to change in me, what will it be? It's a question of that defect in my character. Tell me I want to change. Men, I know it's a question that most of us don't know yet. So that's why I just feel like I should just bring it out for you guys. Because it's not all about me, it's all about us and how our marriage is going to work. And that's just the truth. So ask the question that if your wife wants to change anything in you, what will it be? So that's for that. And as a wife, you too, you can ask the same question. Number three is mainly for the wife. Ask the question of, what way can I honor you more? Yes. Most of the time, we don't really know that at some stage in life, we do lose honor for our loved ones. So you can also ask the question of, in what way can I honor you the more? The same question a man can also ask it. It's not that you are going to be worshiping your wife, but rather, in what way can you use to pamper her the more? So that's for that. Another point, which is my number 4, is, what is your biggest fear about our relationship? This question, as a man, if you are not doing well, if your wife have been thinking otherwise, she's going to tell you. Asking the question of, what is your fear about our future? This question, out of the list, me myself have not asked my wife. But even without asking her, since I've seen it, I've started working towards it. So that when she's going to talk, she's going to give me a positive answer. And that is it. This is because I found this list. Yeah, another point is the question of, are you dealing with anything that you want me to help you with? Or you think I could help you with? The question of, what is the problem that you have that I don't know yet, that you hope that I can help you with? You'll be amazed that even your wife, she can have a toaster that is even threatening her. Or she can have someone that is willing to blackmail her. The question is going to touch her and she might open up for you. The same thing to man. Wife, ask the same question from your husband. Make him talk. Then you'll be amazed that even when we get home and we are smiling, we are laughing, we have a lot of challenges that we do faces. And that is it for that. Another question, which is second to the last, is the question of, if you have 3 things you wish for a future, what are they? Like, if you want something for our future, you want us to attain some stage in life, what are those things that you wish us to be tomorrow? It is then that you will see that house that you are building, your wife could have a suggestion that you guys should build a hotel. She might be seeing you in the place of high rank, and you are seeing yourself in the place of, I'm seeing small money and I want to do this. Do you know advice like that, from that kind of question, could change your life entirely? And that is just it. The same question wife should ask their husband. You will be amazed that one shop that you are using as a wife, your husband could have a plan of supermarket for you. And if the dream is not aligning, how will you attain it? Or how can you attain the height? Which means that question must be asked. And you'll be amazed that it's going to change a lot of things. And the last one is the question of, are there things that we do before that we are not doing again, which you yourself you enjoy and you want us to still be doing it? For instance, if a man should ask the question, who knows, maybe gone are the days, maybe you yourself you do take her out, and now it's now all about business, and she felt useless in your heart. And the truth is that she's not useless. It's just that you are finding money. And that's the truth. So ask the question of, is there things that we usually do before that we are not doing again now? And you wish that we should still be doing it. Then you'll be amazed that there are things that he or she will want. And that's for the day. My name is Kolawole Iyo, and the program is GWCT Show by Kolawole Iyo. I'm a marriage expert, and I'm also good in financial development courses. So that's for that. Have a wonderful day today. And don't forget, if you find this educative, please like, share, and follow for more. It's a daily tablet. Peace.